Embark on a journey with me as we delve into the intriguing question: is stress the hidden culprit behind weight gain? In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a constant companion for many of us, silently weaving its way into our lives and, surprisingly, our waistlines. The link between stress and weight gain is more than just a theory. It's a reality that affects countless individuals, leading to a cycle of frustration and diminished health. Why does stress pack on the pounds? It's not just about reaching for that extra slice of cake for comfort. Stress triggers a cascade of hormonal changes, notably spiking cortisol levels, which nudges our bodies into survival mode. This ancient response, while useful in fleeting moments of danger, can wreak havoc on our modern bodies when activated continuously. Elevated cortisol levels stir up a hunger for high-calorie comfort foods and slow our metabolism, a double whammy for weight gain. But the plot thickens. Stress doesn't just make us hungry, it messes with our body's hormonal harmony. Insulin and leptin, key players in regulating our appetite and metabolism, get thrown off balance. The result? Our bodies cling to every calorie, making weight loss an uphill battle. Yet, there's a silver lining. Tackling stress head-on can be a powerful weapon in our weight management arsenal. By dialing down stress, we can rebalance our hormones, reignite our metabolism, and rediscover our motivation for healthy living. So, how do we break free from this stress-weight gain merry-go-round? It starts with understanding the intricate dance between our bodies and our stress levels, and then taking proactive steps to manage stress, not just for our waistline's sake, but for our overall well-being. Join me as we explore effective stress management strategies that can help us regain control over our health and happiness. It's not merely about shedding pounds. It's about embracing a lifestyle where we feel vibrant, in control, and truly alive. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. If stress-induced weight gain has been a part of your story, I'd love to hear your experiences and insights in the comments below. Stay tuned for more empowering content on navigating stress and enhancing your health and well-being.